I remember sitting back in one of my drama classrooms years ago now, and I was sitting against the wall looking out to my students and their process of creation. And I thought, I get paid for this. Like, I actually get paid to watch people create. It was so magical, and there was so much magic in those moments. And I just, in that moment, I remember feeling this overwhelming sense of gratitude for being where I was and who I was and with whom I got to share this opportunity with. And then when I was asked yesterday to come and do this, I know I was greeted at the door like family, as you were talking about. I feel the exact same way. I'd been away, gotten a job that actually landed me working on Sundays and wasn't able to get back here. And the second I walked through those doors, I was greeted with a million hugs and it's about time. And I thought, you know what? We get called to do things exactly when we're meant to call to do them, right? So I sat in silence with Source, with Spirit, and I asked to be the vessel of communication regarding creativity, because that is what Katie asked me to speak on today. And I immediately had this image come to me, which for you may not mean much, but for me, I knew exactly what to do with it. Yeah, not kidding. This is exactly the image that came to me. And I thought, well, they're going to know what this is. You guys know what this is? Yeah, it's a spatula. But of course, that's not what I was called to ask about the spatula. What I was called to ask is, what could this be? So I'd love to hear from you. What could this be?
Fly swatter.
A fly swatter! Yeah, it can. What else?
Badminton racket.
Yes, a badminton racket. What else?
A cat poop scoop.
A cat poop scoop. I love it. Right? What else could it be?
Garden marker.
Okay, and that is my plant. Love it. What else?
A microphone.
A microphone? Somebody else said something back there.
Fan.
A fan? Oh, one of these fans. A what?
A sieve.
A sieve. Absolutely. Absolutely. I want you to write down on a piece of paper. So you were each gifted a piece of paper on your chair, and there was a bunch of pens that were handed out. You could write down what could this be answer on that piece of paper. It can be anything. This is for the shy people who don't like to call out, right? Infinite possibilities right here in this spatula. What could this be? Okay. I'm going to move into another test. Because, of course, I was called to have you learn what your creativity is all about rather than tell you what your creativity is all about. Okay, so the next thing I'd like you to do on that piece of paper, you can flip it over or do whatever you'd like with it, is I would like you to finish this picture. Finish this picture. What could this be? Is there anybody super brave who'd like to come up and do their picture up here? Yeah, please come. Thanks. Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm going to trace it in black so you can see it just a little bit better. This is what it is. Is there anybody who'd like to come to add to Mel's drawing? Beautiful. Next. Anybody open to adding maybe one more thing to this? Yes. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. Here's the next one. Does everybody have a drawing down of some kind of themselves? Okay. No right, no wrong, infinite possibilities. All right, so this is called the 9-dot theory. And in this 9-dot theory, you are going to connect all 9 of these dots with only 4 lines. You may not go back on yourself. So if you go this way, you may not go back on that same line. You have to just keep traveling, okay? So if you know the answer to this already because you've done it in the past, I want you to connect it with 3 lines. If you can connect it with 3 lines easily within the first minute, I want you to connect it with 2 lines. Okay? So everybody's going to spend just 1 to 2 minutes working on connecting this. And so what I mean by 4 lines is if you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, ooh, that didn't work, I'm missing a dot. So then you draw them again. And work on it again. Okay? Got it? Oh, you just taught me a lesson about communicating, so I need to be clear in my communication. So, if you may not pick your pen up, okay? So if you were traveling this way, you cannot pick your pen up and start over here again. And go over here. You need to keep your pen on the paper the whole time. Okay? Thank you for teaching me that lesson. Got one? So we only want to do 4 lines. You created 5 lines, did you know? That was great. Go with 4 lines. Okay. Can you show me? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. Try to do it. Just each one of these will feel so close. That's okay. It is harder than you think, hey? Oh, that is outstanding. It's like an animal with multiple legs. Yes. Yeah. So there's that's really considered a line or 3, right? So you've done 4 before? Okay, cool. So I'd like you to do it with 1 or 2. Foot up or hand off the brake. Right, true. Try to do it with 1 line where point A and point B are nearly straight.
Is cheating going in a circle?
Is cheating going in a circle? No, it's not. However, that's brilliant. So some people will see this as 1, and I would count this as 5.
I didn't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know. I love it. You remember I taught high school, which means I've seen every loophole in existence, right? Every loophole. Okay, we'll take a moment's break from that. For those of you who are like, what? Is there anybody who really knows the solution to this and can come and problem solve it?
I've seen it, but I don't remember.
Don't remember it? Yeah, could you come and problem solve it? I need to grab one of the pens back because this one's a little, thank you. There you go. This one's a little shallow. Thank you. Brilliant. Thank you. Good job. Yeah, right? Her pen never left. Now, what had to occur for her to actually fulfill the need for this project?
Think outside the box.
Yeah, she had to think outside the box. She didn't stay within here. She had to come out here. And it's so interesting because the box doesn't actually exist. We create that, right, construct, and we stay within it. I heard this beautiful, I listened to this guru the other day, I went to a sacred breakfast, and he was talking about us being born with empty boxes. And we actually fill those boxes with PPE, people, place, events, right? And then as we fill those boxes, it starts to stifle love, oftentimes, and creativity. And so how we feel about that box getting filled actually shapes our perspective and perception of the world. And then he said, when we squeeze out the box so that we can get it down to, he said, as he gets older, he's in his late 70s, he says, as I get older, I'm really picky about who I let my box, right? I'm very, very careful about who I surround myself with so that my box is mostly filled with love. And I thought that was really powerful. Thought, yeah, but of course me, my creative mind, and what I've been through in my journey, I'm like, what box? Like, what are you talking about? I don't want a box in my life, right? And he says, the juice is outside the box. That's the stuff when you get to the end of your life, you're like, yeah, glad I did that, right? That feels great, okay? If you were to go back and give yourself a score from the very beginning exercise, the very first one we did, and your score was a 1 out of 10, you determine the criteria, okay, on grading yourself. So the first was the spatula. You came up with what it could be. What grade would you give yourself out of 10? So I'd like you to just give yourself a score out of 10 for the 3 activities that we did. And I would like you to give yourself a total score out of 30. Have a moment, look into yourself. What could this be? What could it not be? Okay, so how many people ended up with a 30 out of 30 in this room? Sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What criteria did you use to grade yourself? Fun. Okay, awesome. So you were a 30 out of 30 in fun. And those people who know you would agree. Yeah. Okay. Absolutely. What did you guys use for criteria? What did you use for criteria? Why not? Okay. Why am I not 30? I'm completely worthy of a 30. Yeah, absolutely. How many people were less than 15? Is there anybody in here who graded themselves less than 15, less than 50% creative? Anybody willing? Okay. And has that been something that you have done in your life in general? You've created a score, you're like, I'm just not a creative person?
Oh, pretty much so.
Yeah, you wouldn't count yourself to be a creative person? What criteria do you use to grade yourself?
Cash oriented.
You're cash oriented? Oh, task, okay. Yeah, you just want to get something done and get it done?
Yeah.
Okay. In your tasks, when you go to complete a task, if it is not super point A, point B, point C, this is what you do, how do you problem solve that?
Creativity through memory.
Okay? So you use and tap into creativity to problem solve it, right? So in most theology throughout the world, the source, the universe, God, is referred to as the creator. Not the architect, not the artist, the creator. Right? And we are made in his image, or we are made in reflection, or we are made in connection with all that is. And yet, there are some people who deem themselves not to be creative. It's impossible. It's an impossible construct. We are all made in creativity. Right? Some of us tap into it easier than others. Because some of us can release judgment easier than others. Right? How many of you drew this, or as soon as this came up, and it became a person, or a thing, we were like, yeah, I get it. She's good. Right? We judged her, she's good. How about when we added the tail ends here, and we were like, I thought it was a house. Like, what's with this? Is this wind? Like, what is happening here? Did anybody get into judgment around that? You don't have to admit it, but let's get into our heads and be like, hey, where was she going with that? I went kite. I was like, oh, it's a kite now, right? It went to a different space. And then you came and turned it into a person, which was magical, right? And then it can be, and then I was like, maybe it's not a person, maybe it's a world with a house in it, right? It can really go anywhere. So I looked at the definition of creativity, and as you can imagine, there are multiple definitions, okay? And the one that I thought really spoke to us from a spiritual realm is this. Creativity is the ability to perceive the world in a new way, find connections between unrelated phenomena in our lives. And I thought, isn't that truly what connecting to Source is all about? Right? Finding the connection between unrelated phenomena. The connection between what's outside of that box. What's outside of that 9 dots. We are all creative beings. And I encourage you to tap into that creativity because it does help with problem solving. And it helps with a variety of different things in our life. But mostly my favorite is manifestation. Does anybody else love to be in control of their lives? Just love what you can create? Has anybody in here closed their eyes, meditated on something, and then it became? Anybody? You guys are sitting on something that was that for someone. Bob Proctor says that everything happens twice. Everything in the world appears twice. Once in your head and once in reality. Right? I take it one step further, and I would say that first we realize it, and then we visualize it, and then we actualize it. It's the 3-step process, right? So we're like, oh, this needs to be, or this is for me, and then let's make it happen. And so when we move into our meditation,